Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In part 2, we'll continue addressing more axle problems and solutions to keep your trailer truck running smoothly. Fixing bent or damaged axles. A bent axle throws off alignment and chews up tires. Sometimes it's fixable, other times replacement is the only safe option. When to repair versus replace. Repair. Small bends under 1/2 inch deviation can often be straightened. Replace. Cracks, severe bends, or axle twist mean it's time for a new one. Straightening methods. Hydraulic press. Works for minor bends but requires precise measurements. Overpressuring weakens the metal. Heat correction. Apply controlled heat to stubborn bends, then slowly reshape. Done wrong, this weakens the axle. A quick check. Lay a straight edge along the axle tube. Gaps or uneven contact confirm warping. Keep an eye on tire wear after repairs. Uneven tread is the first sign of lingering alignment issues. Preventive maintenance for axles. Think of your trailer truck's axles like the joints in your body. Keep them lubricated and properly aligned, and they'll last for miles without complaint. Skip maintenance, and you're asking for stiff, noisy, or even catastrophic failures. Here's how to stay ahead of the most common axle killers. Regular lubrication schedules. Grease is the lifeblood of your axle system. The right type applied at the right intervals keeps bearings cool, reduces friction, and prevents wear. Single axles with grease hubs. Repack bearings every 25,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Use a high-temperature lithium-based grease. Oil bath axles. Check oil levels every 15,000 miles. Replace oil annually or if it looks milky, a sign of water contamination. Tandem axles with central lubrication. Hit each fitting every 10,000 miles. Automatic systems help but still need manual checks. Pro tip. If you're hauling through extreme heat or dirt roads, cut those intervals in half. Contaminants and high temps break down lubricants faster. Alignment and weight distribution tips. A misaligned axle chews through tires and strains components. Poor weight distribution makes it worse, overloading one side while the other coasts. Alignment checks. Measure from the center of one hub to the same spot on the opposite side. More than a 1/8 inch difference? Get it realigned. Look for uneven tread wear, feathering or bald spots on inner edges often signal alignment drift. Weight distribution fixes. Load the heaviest cargo centered over the axles, not toward the front or rear. Use a scale to check weight per axle. Overloading one side by even 500 pounds accelerates wear. A quick test. After adjusting your load, drive a short distance on a flat road. If the truck pulls to one side without steering input, revisit your distribution. Routine checks take minutes but save thousands in avoidable repairs. Your axles and your wallet will thank you. When to seek professional help. Not every axle issue can, or should, be fixed in your shop. Some problems demand a mechanic's expertise, specialized tools, or diagnostic equipment you might not have on hand. Pushing through a repair when you're out of your depth risks making things worse. Signs you need a mechanic. Axle problems don't always give you the luxury of time. Here's when to hand the job over to a pro. Persistent vibrations. If the shaking doesn't stop after bearing or wheel work, something deeper might be wrong, like a bent axle or misaligned suspension. Unexplained tire wear. Seeing scalloping or uneven tread after alignment attempts? The issue could be a twisted axle or damaged spindle. Chronic leaks. Replaced seals twice and still seeing grease on your wheels? The hub or bearing race might be scored, needing precision machining. Unusual noises under load. A groan or clunk when hauling heavy points to structural stress. DIY fixes won't hold up if the axle's integrity is compromised. Ever tried tightening a U-bolt only to have the vibration come right back? That's your cue to call someone with a hydraulic lift and laser alignment tools. Choosing the right repair shop. Not all mechanics specialize in heavy-duty axles. Here's how to pick a shop that knows trailers inside out. Look for specialization. Ask if they regularly service trailer trucks. A general auto shop might lack the right presses or alignment jigs for heavy axles. Check certifications. ASE or TIA certifications signal trained technicians. Bonus points for shops with OEM endorsements from brands like Meritor or Dexter. Ask about warranties. Reputable shops guarantee their work. If they won't warranty bearing replacements for at least 12 months, walk away. Review their diagnostic process. Do they use dial indicators to measure axle warp, or just eyeball it? Precision matters when your rig's safety is on the line. Word of mouth still works. Ask other drivers at truck stops or check online reviews for mentions of axle work or trailer repairs. Axle issues don't fix themselves, but catching them early does. Regular inspections, proper lubrication, and timely repairs keep your trailer truck moving safely and efficiently. Pay attention to unusual noises, uneven tire wear, or grease leaks. They're warning signs, not quirks. A few minutes of preventive maintenance now saves hours of roadside headaches later. Got a persistent problem or unsure about a repair? Sometimes the smartest move is calling a pro. Your rig's axles carry the load. Keep them in top shape, and they'll keep you rolling without surprises. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.